Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alfred. We will be talking anything about tech review, music, lifestyle, and everything all in that matter of this universe. But more than happy to, if you are to subscribe or comment in the section below, that will help me in the algorithm of YouTube, put me up there somewhere. I'm not trying to be the #1, but I'm trying to be there, give a solution or at least a review of some sort for you all. So thank you for staying, thank you for watching the videos, and I hope to get more out of you. See y'all.
Alright, how did you enjoy the B-roll? Well, here I am holding on to the Note 20 Ultra, coming up to the end of 2020. What can we say? I've been using this phone for the past 4 months now, and guess what? Stories about Note 20 series being dead is pretty much true. Well, here we are, and we're gonna look on to the camera. As you can see, I was just using pretty much just the camera and also the main camera of the phone, and also the anamorphic lens, blue flare from Moment Lens. Shout out to them as well, with the adapter on. Pretty good, I must say. But I'm far from perfect on trying to edit. This is just a quick cut to edit and just walking down on Barangaroo and Circular Quay of Sydney. Next upcoming, we're going to talk about I guess the performance issues of the phone. The variant that I have here is the Exynos version instead of the Snapdragon. That's what we have here in Australia. And to be honest, I don't see any different. Not that I've also used the Snapdragon before, but I mean, seems pretty good so far. The only difference I kind of noticed on the lag, or starting to have lag on the phone, is that when it starts to have a down to 15% left of the capacity of the hard drive, the SSD, and I've got the 256GB version here. Just a little bit of lag, and that's because I've been shooting a lot of photos and videos, but other than that, it's fine. Now, so far the battery has been great. Day-to-day use, I have been using the 120Hz display, full on, never changed since then. And to be honest, it's the same kind of quality with the WQHD or the 60Hz version of the screen itself. Pen, I don't draw, just use mostly for annotations or PDF sign, but it has been amazing, very handy to have. And when I need to sign documents for businesses and stuff, this is what I've been using. And Samsung Note has gone pretty far as well. It does quite a bit. Like, I have an iPad Pro, so the Samsung Note is pretty comparable to those Notability kind of app, although it's not fully, developed as Notability, but it gets the job done. You can download PDF files, annotate, and everything is just pretty good right there. Another thing that I actually very, very fond of, and not a lot of tech reviewers talk about, is the option to have a dual messenger option, such as WhatsApp or Facebook or Telegram or whatever kind of messenger option you use. It is there, guys. If you don't know, you can set it on and you can have a dual WhatsApp. It's one of the main reasons why I buy the phone, is because I don't want to be carrying two phones, even though it has a dual SIM card. But like an iPhone Pro, an iPhone, it has a dual SIM card but doesn't have a dual messenger option, and so you still need to use two phones. whereas I have one phone, one SIM card with 2 different numbers. Just gotta set, one time, and you can take the SIM card or you keep it, up to you. But that's one of the reasons why I've been using this phone.
So, on conclusion, I think Samsung Note 20 Ultra is one of the best smartphone you can have in current times we're living today. I have been a Samsung Note fanboy. It came out since Note 2 and I've got my hands on it. Note 2, Note 3, I believe that was a 4 and then upcoming to 5. I did get all of those. And I did not get a 7, but I did get the 9 and eventually now the 20 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Bear with me, this is my first time doing a tech review and I will keep doing it. Ciao!